tailgate moldings get a lot of use over the years from the tailgate being opened and closed. It won't be long before you start noticing heavy scratches, dents, and overall dullness in the polished finish. If you're restoring your El Camino, this is a great way to bring life back into the rear tailgate. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 and 69 El Camino upper and lower tailgate moldings. Professionally manufactured from extruded aluminum and case-hardened steel tooling, our moldings are identical to the originals. They feature authentic, narrow satin paint strip with the molded ends that are finely detailed. To protect it from corrosion, every molding is clear anodized to help it last for many years to come. Your moldings will line up and install easily to your tailgate with convenient mounting hardware that's included with each purchase. You'll be happy you chose Original Parts Group for your restoration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.